Welcome to bookvending.com, how it's made. Every Inchy Bookworm book vending machine starts off with a planning phase, as our art department of graphic designers and illustrators works closely with school or organization representatives to determine the visual layout of their machine. Using the latest design software, these designers can create brand new graphics or incorporate and revitalize existing logos and mascots into a fresh new look to match your needs. When a final look has been chosen, the machine design is sent through our in-house printing process using state-of-the-art 1200 DPI printers on durable wrap material. Graphics are carefully laid out on each machine by skilled wrap technicians whose demanding eyes ensure an exact fit. Interior and exterior labels and stickers are die-cut and applied at the same time. The machine's electronics and light system are inspected, and coin slots, keypads, and book trays are tested for flawless operation. Directions for first-time operation are posted on each machine, and golden tokens, ribbon-cutting accessories, and documentation are placed inside the machine for out-of-the-box usage. The machines are then transported to our shipping department, where they are carefully packaged for safety and care in a 4-step process, ensuring that each unit arrives at your school or organization in perfect condition. Your Inchy Bookworm book vending machine is now ready for transport and delivery for its next journey of bringing the magic of reading and owning books to students around the globe.